So good morning, welcome to Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. So today we are going to start new chapter. Yesterday we have completed statistics, multiple choice questions. Today we start quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. This is for IIIT entrance examination as well as NTSC, other board examinations also. Okay, welcome all. Welcome all. Okay, today my plan is that actually I discuss the bits quadratic equations based on quadratic equations, multiple choice questions. Questions as well as the concept simultaneously I will discuss. So instead of wasting the time, so directly I switch over to the problem itself only. Problems. So problems followed by the concept I will discuss. This is the plan. Okay. Am I audible to you all? I am audible to you all. Right. First question. The standard form of the standard form of a quadratic equation is option A is ax plus b equals to 0, a does not equal to 0, b is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, a does not equal to 0, c this is ax cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equals to 0, a does not equal to 0. Option D is none. So what is the standard form of the standard form of a quadratic equation? What is the standard form of the quadratic equation? This is a basic concept question. Ax plus b is equal to 0. It's a linear equation in one variable. So it is not, actually its degree is 2. It is the quadratic equation. Its degree is 3. It's a cubic equation. So B is the right option. So now the solution write down. Standard form or general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. That is a does not equal to 0 here condition. This is the quadratic equation. So that's why option B is the right option. Is correct. Yes. Now second question. The second question. So now you check it. Which of the following is not a quadratic equation? A, option A, x minus 2 whole square plus 1 equals to 2x minus 3. Option B, x times x plus 1 plus 8 equals to x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 3. C option, x times 2x plus 3 equals to x square plus 1. X plus 2 whole cube equals to x square minus 4. Which of the following is not a quadratic equation? So this is x cube minus 4, right? So now that means we need to simplify a, b, c, d. So which is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, that is not a quadratic equation. So let us simplify the first option. Solution. First option A, x minus 2 whole square is a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. 2 square is 4 plus 1 equal to 2x minus 3. So x square, this is minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 2x minus 3. Bring these two terms this side. That implies x square minus 4x minus 2x minus 6x 5 plus 3. 8 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation, but not a quadratic equation we need to find out. So it's incorrect. So now go to B option. What is the B option we have? X times x plus 1 plus 8 equals to x plus 2 times x minus 2. See now, simplify x square plus x plus 8 equal to x into x square, x into minus 2 minus 2x plus 2 into x plus 2x and plus 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Otherwise a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. First and last term we will get it. 2x minus 2x plus 2x cancel. This is x square plus x plus 8 equal to x square minus 4. If you bring x square, this will be negative. X square cancel. We have x plus 8 is equal to minus 4. So it is not quadratic. It is a linear equation. It is not quadratic because its degree is 1. So this is the right option. So this is the right option. Option B. Obviously C, D are not the quadratic equations. You need not check. So third. Which of the following is a quadratic equation? Quadratic equation. Which of the following is a quadratic equation? Yes, it may be useful for 11th too. Option A, x minus 2 whole square plus 1 equal to 2x minus 3. B, This is 2 times of x minus 3. Option B, x minus 2, x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 times x plus 3. Option C, x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole square. Option D, x to the power of 4 minus 1 equals to 0. D is not a quadratic equation because the degree is 4. It's a biquadratic equation. So option D will be eliminated. Out of ABC we need to find out. The quadratic equation means it must be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 form. It should be like this. Quadratic equation means. So we need to check for option A. Let us simplify. X minus 2 whole square means x square minus 2ab minus 2 into x into 2 and plus 2 square equals to 2x minus 6. Open the bracket. Yes. So x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 6. Bring 2x minus 6 this side. X square minus 4x minus 2x minus 6x plus 4 plus 6 plus 10 equals to 0. So it appears to be rather ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. So option A is the right option. That's all. Next, fourth question. Right. Which of the following equation has 1 by 5 as a root? This is the question. Option A, 35x square minus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Option B is 2x square minus 7x plus 6. Option C is 10x square minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. Option D is 35x square 2x minus 1 equals to 0. It's very interesting question. Which of the following equation has 1 by 5? It's a root. 1 by 5 it's a root means if you replace x for 1 by 5 we should get 0. So we need to check the options itself only. First check the options. Check options. This is one of the strategy to crack the MCQs, multiple choice questions. First A, in the place of x replace 1 upon 5. 35 into 1 upon 5 whole square minus 2 times 1 upon 5 minus 1. This is equal to 35 into 1 upon 25 minus 2 upon 5 minus 1. This is 5 5 ja 5 7 ja 7 by 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 1. This equal to 7 minus 2, 5 by 5, 1 minus 1, 0. Yes, it satisfies this equation. So that means 1 by 5 is one of the root of this 35x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. A is the option. A is the option. So fifth question. Yes, option A is the right option. If 3 is a solution root are same, don't worry, is a solution of 3x square plus k minus 1x plus 9 equals to 0, then k equals to, then the value of k is option A 11, option B is minus 11, option C is 13, option D minus 30. So now the solution, since 3 is, solution means root, I already told you, 3 is root of this 3x square plus k minus 1 times x plus 9 is equal to 0. So it must satisfy this equation. So in the place of x, replace 3. 3 times 3 square plus k minus 1 times 3 plus 9 equals to 0. So divide throughout by 3. Divide by 3. Because 3 is the common in 3 in the 3 terms. 3 cancel, 3 cancel, 3 1 ja 3. So we have 3 square is 9 plus k minus 1 plus 3 equals to 0. So we need to simplify this one. K 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, k plus 11 equals to 0. Transpose this side. So k equals to obviously 0 minus 11 minus 11. So B is the right option. B is the right option. Yes, Sunny Nani, absolutely correct. Subhadra, B is the correct. B is the correct. Shall I move to next problem? Shall I move to next problem? Right, Pavitra. Sixth question. If x is equal to 1 is a common root. Common root means it is applicable for both. Common root of the equations ax square plus ax plus 3 equals to 0 and x square plus x plus b equals to 0, then the value of a into b, ab, is option A 3, option B is 3.5, 3.5, option C is 6, option D minus 3. First, let me read the question. X is equal to 1 is a common root of the equations ax square plus ax plus 3 is equal to 0, x square plus x plus b is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 1 is the root of this equation. X is equal to 1 is the root of this equation. Then first, if you substitute x is equal to 1 in the first equation, we get a value. If you substitute x is equal to 1 second equation, we get the b value. Then after that, both need to be multiplied. So now let us proceed. Since x is equal to 1 is a root of ax square plus ax plus 3 equals to 0. So that implies in the place of x 1, a times 1 square plus a times 1 plus 3 equals to 0. So we get a 1 square is 1, a into 1 a plus a 2a plus 3 equals to 0. So now 2a equals to minus 3. Obviously a equals to minus 3 by 2. Since this is the solution of second equation 2, so that means since x is equal to 1 is also a root of x square plus x plus b is equal to 0. So that implies this satisfies this equation. So 1 square plus 1 plus b equals to 0. So we have here 1 plus 1 square 1 plus 1 plus b equals to 0. That implies b plus 2 equals to 0. So b equals to minus 2. So we need AB value. Therefore AB. Go back. A is minus 3 by 2. Yes, minus 3 by 2 multiplied by minus 2. So 2 1 ja 1. This is minus 3 multiplied by minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. 3 into 1 3. Plus 3 is the right answer. So option A is the right option. Yes. Parvin, check your option. Check your option. Yes. Seventh question. If x square plus 2kx plus 4 equals to 0 has a root x is equal to 2, then the value of k is option A minus 1, option B is minus 2, option C 2, option D is minus 4. Okay, let us do. See, x square plus 2kx plus 4 is equal to 0 has a root x is equal to 2. Then the value of k we need to find out. So that means here solution, since x is equal to 2 is a root of x square plus 2kx plus 4 is equal to 0. That means this must satisfy this equation. So in the place of x, 2 substitute. So now what do you get now here? 2 square plus 2k times 2 plus 4 equals to 0. Observe, this 2 square is 4 plus 4k plus 4 equals to 0. 4 plus 4 is 8. We get 4k plus 8 equals to 0. So 4k equals to minus 8. Now implies k equals to minus 8 upon 4. Now what do you get? Yes, you are correct. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. Therefore k equals to minus 2. K equals to minus 2. So that means option B is the right option. Option B is the right option. Eighth question. If 1 upon 2 is a root of the equation x square plus kx minus 5 upon 4 equals to 0, then the value of k is option A 2, option B 1 upon 2, option C minus 2, option D 1 upon 4. Right. So let us move to this question now. 1 by 2 is a root of the equation x square plus kx minus 5 by 4 equals to 0. Then value of k. So substitute this value in this one. Solution. Substituting of square plus k times of minus 5 by 4 equals to 0. Let us simplify. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus this will be k by 2 minus 5 by 4 equals to 0. Multiply both sides with 4. If you multiply both sides with 4, 1 you will be getting plus 4 into k by 2, 2k, 4 cancel, minus 5 equals to 6, 0. So this will be 2k minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 equals to 0. 2k equals to 4, k equals to 4 upon 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So obviously k is equal to 2. So option A is the right option. Option A is the right option. Okay, ninth question. Ninth one. The roots of the quadratic equation, 3x minus 2 multiplied by 2x plus 1 equals to 0 are. So the roots of this quadratic equation we need to find out. Option A, minus 2 upon 3. So minus 1 upon 2. Option B, minus 2 upon 3, comma 1 upon 2. Option C, 2 upon 3, comma 1 upon 2. Option D, 2 upon 3, comma minus 1 upon 2. See the roots of the quadratic equation. 3x minus 2 multiplied by 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. See, so we have one concept here. So what is the concept actually? If the product of the two numbers a into b equals to 0, we have like this: a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So you remember this condition. This condition is very, very important. With the help of this one we can find out. Okay, Santosh, welcome, welcome. You are from Nepal. Thank you, thank you. So now the solution: 3x minus 2 multiplied by 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 means either we get 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 or we get 2x plus 1 equals to 0. We need to solve these two equations separately now. Right. This we can write 3x equals to 2. This is 2x equals to minus 1. Now x we need to get it. X equals to 2 upon 3. So x equals to minus 1 upon 2. So now tell me what is the right option now here. Therefore roots are 2 by 3 comma minus 1 upon 2. These are the roots. Okay, option D. Yes, correct, correct. Good observation. Good observation. So option D, because 2 by 3 is there and minus 1 by 2 is there. Very good, Shivani. Very good, Shivani. Okay, now 10th question. 10th question. 10th question. The roots of the quadratic equation. The roots of the quadratic equation. Welcome, welcome, Shivani. Equation. Root 3 times x minus root 2 times root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0 are option A, root 2 upon root 3 comma minus root 2 upon root 3, B, root 2 upon root 3 comma root 2 upon root 3, C, minus root 2 upon root 3 comma root 2 upon root 3, option D, minus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2 upon root 3. So which is the right option? Which is the right option? Just think. First read the question carefully, all of you. Look at the screen first of all. I think it's very visible to you, crystal clear to you. Option B, I will try. See, the roots of the quadratic equation root 3x minus root 2 multiplied by root 3x minus root 2 equals to 0. So yes, Sivani. Now the solution we get like this. Root 3x minus root 2 equals to 0, or root 3x minus root 2 equals to 0. Take minus root 2 this side. Root 3x equals to root 2. Obviously x is equal to root 2 upon root 3. In the similar fashion, let us do this one. Root 3x equals to root 2. So x equals to root 2 upon root 3. What's our observation? So what are your observations? Actually these two are equal, or equal roots. They have equal roots. Each equal to root 2 by root 3. So that means option B is the right option. So 11th question. The roots of the equation, the roots of the equation, the roots of the equation x square minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0 are one comma 1, B 1 comma minus 1, option C minus 1 comma minus 1, D 2 comma 2. The roots of this equation we need to write. Very good, Pavitra. Others, other than Pavitra, anybody? Lakshmi, Kavya, Stravani, Ganesh, Harish. Respond yourself. Santosh from Nepal. What is the answer? What is the answer? So what is the answer? Option A. Yes, good try, good try. Good try, Subhadra. The roots of the equation x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. We need to factorize the left hand side. See the solution. This x square minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So this we can write x whole square minus 2 times x times 1 write down. 1 can be written 1 square is equal to 0. So it looks like a minus b whole square. This can be put like this. A is x minus 1 whole square expansion, that is. So this we can write x minus 1 multiplied with x minus 1 equals to 0. So we get two cases. X minus 1 equals to 0 and x minus 1 equals to 0. You get x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1. Equal roots. So therefore x is equal to 1 comma 1. Option A is the right option. Option A. Okay, and let us move to the next question, 12th question. 12th question. The roots of the equation The roots of the equation x square minus 8 upon x square plus 20 equals to 1 upon 2 are a plus or minus 3, b plus or minus 2, c plus or minus 6, d plus or minus 4. The roots of the equation x square minus 8 by x square plus 20 equals to 1 upon 2. So we need to solve it. Very simple. First cross multiply and get the values of x. Simplify. So you need to cross multiply like this. Okay, solution. Cross multiplication 2 times x square is 2x square. 2 times minus 8 is minus 16 equals to x square plus 20. Now take x square this side, minus 16 this side. So now we get like this. 2x square minus x square equals to 20. The minus 16 becomes plus 16. Right. Lakshmi. X square equals to 36. Now x is equal to square root of 36. This we can write square root of 6 into 6. So whenever under square root as a product of the same numbers, the two numbers are there, one number you need to take, but plus or minus you need to write. So therefore x equals to minus 6 or plus 6, or plus or minus 6 is the right option. Option C is the right option. Thirteenth question. The roots of the equation equation 3 times x plus 3 whole square equals to 48 are option A 1 comma minus 7, option B 1 comma 7, option C minus 1 comma 7, option D minus 1 comma minus 7. Swati G. The roots of the equation 3 times x plus 3 whole square equal to 48. We need to solve this equation. First divide 48 by 3. You get x plus 3 whole square. Then after that get the value of x plus 3 so that we can find out. So x plus 3 whole square equals to 48 by 3. X plus 3 whole square is equal to 3 1 ja 3 16 ja 16. X plus 3 equals to square root of 16. So we get x plus 3 equals to plus or minus 4. So now we get like this. Two cases we will get it. X plus 3 equals to 4 and x plus 3 equals to minus 4. Take 3 this side. Take plus 3 this side. X equals to 4 minus 3. X equals to minus 4 minus 3. This will be 1 this will be minus 7. That means x is equal to 1 or minus 7. 1 or minus 7 means option A itself only. So A is the right option. Fourteenth question. The roots of the quadratic equation, x upon a equal to a upon x are option A is a comma a, option B is a comma minus a, option C minus a comma minus a, option D minus a square comma a square. So which is the right option? So I will start later, Nana. After completion of this IIIT, I will start mains itself only. The mains class will be continued regularly. Right. The roots of the quadratic equation x upon a equals to a upon x. So just cross multiply. See, after cross multiplication we get x square equals to a into a square. Now x equals to square root of a square, whose value is plus or minus a. Therefore x equals to minus a or plus a. That means option B is the right option. Option B, not option A. Lakshmi, you check. Not option A. One will be positive and one will be negative. So 15th question. The roots of the quadratic equation x square upon a square minus b square equals to a plus b upon a minus b. Here a does not equal to b condition, or option A is plus or minus a plus b, option B plus or minus a, option C plus or minus b, option D a comma b. So now the roots of the quadratic equation x square upon a square minus b square, a plus b by a minus b. First we need to write a square minus b square factors, a plus b into a minus b, a minus b cancel. So then we need to find out. See, this we can write x square upon this a square minus b square, we can write a minus b times a plus b equals to a plus b upon a minus b. It's very clear. The a minus b gets cancelled. Here we have 1. By cross multiplication we get x square is equal to this a plus b into a plus b whole square. We need x value. X is equal to root of a plus b whole square. Square root of a plus b whole square is equal to, you get a plus b, but it's one of the solutions of x. Plus or minus you need to write. Either plus ab or minus of a plus b. So option A is the right option. Now the 16th question. 16th question. Yes. The roots of the quadratic equation the quadratic equation 11 upon 3 plus x equals to 4 times 3 minus x, or a plus or minus 1 upon 5, b plus or minus 5 upon 2, c plus or minus 2, d plus or minus 5. So the roots of the quadratic equation we need to find out. So just cross multiply like this. Solution you get like this. 11 is equal to 4 times 3 minus x into 3 plus x. First we can write like this. 3 minus x into 3 plus x is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So this is one of the algebraic identity. We have a square minus b square. Am I correct? So this product of these two can be written now. 11 equals to product of these two with the help of this formula. 4 times 3 square is 9 minus x square. So now 11 equals to 4 into 9 36 minus 4x square. So transpose the terms. Minus 4x square this side, 11 this side. 4x square equals to 36 minus 11. That will be 25. So obviously x square equals to 25 by 4. So x will be square root of 25 by 4. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 5 is 2. This will be plus or minus 5 upon 2. Now you can check what's your answer now. You can check what's your answer. Yes, option B is the right option. Yes, correct. Option B. So 17th question. 17th. The roots of the quadratic equation the roots of the quadratic equation 9 upon x square minus 27 equals to 25 upon x square minus 11 r. Option A plus or minus 3. Option B is plus or minus 4. Option C plus or minus 6. Option D is plus or minus 5. The roots of the quadratic equation, this one, just cross multiply and find out x value. Solution: 25 times x square, 25x square, minus 25 times 27 equals to 9 into x square, 9x square, minus 99. 25 into 27. 7 5 ja 35, 7 2 ja 14 plus 3 17. So 25 2 ja 50. This will be 675. Am I correct? The product. So 25x square minus 675 equal to 9x square minus 99. Now what shall we do? Take 9x square this side and take away minus 675 this side. So we get like this now. Okay, now we get this equals to 25x square minus 9x square equal to 675 minus 99. So now 675 for 99 should be subtracted from 99. Borrow 10, this becomes 6. Again borrow 6, this becomes 5. 6 7 576. This 25 minus 9x square is 16x square equal to 576. So now x square equals to 576 upon 16. Okay, 16 1 ja 16 4 ja 48. 16 4 ja 48 means 96. 16 4 ja 64. 16 3 ja 48. 16 3 ja 48. 48 means okay, let us do like this now. Better. So x square equals to 576 upon 16. Okay, 1 minute. So x is equal to square root of 576 is 24. This will be 4 plus or minus 4 1 ja 4 6 ja. Plus or minus 6 is the right answer. Yes, option C. So yes, Nana, Pavitra. Okay, thank you. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you, one and all. So now we have been discussing first level 1 problems, very simple problems. So tomorrow we discuss level 2, level 3 problems. First basics we study. Right.